Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dell Inspiron battery only lasts a few minutes, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to battery wear and tear over time, which affects its ability to hold a charge. If left unrepaired, it can lead to inconvenience, as you may find yourself constantly tethered to a power outlet. But don't worry, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible battery for your Dell Inspiron. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping your device over onto a flat surface. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic opening tool into the seam of the back panel. Carefully pry it open, taking care not to damage any clips. Now that you have access to the interior, locate the battery. It is usually a rectangular component with a connector attached. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling out the connector. Take note of how it's connected, as you will need to do the reverse when installing the new one. With the connector removed, you can unscrew the battery from its compartment using the same Phillips screwdriver. Remember to apply a gentle but firm pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and place it in the same compartment. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it fits snugly into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back panel with the laptop and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not excessively. Power on your laptop to check that it recognizes the new battery. If everything works well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Dell Inspiron battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you charge your laptop properly and avoid leaving it plugged in constantly after it reaches full charge. Regularly check your battery health through your system settings to catch any potential issues early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.